And we're live. Hey, hey, hey. Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Hustle Diaries. It's me again, Marianne, originally from Manila, Philippines, and currently now in Ontario, Canada. Wife, mom, and someone who's learning that motivation isn't always the answer. Naintriga kayo, no? Okay. Today's topic is motivation lie. I have a question again. Let me start it with another question. Ilang beses mo na ba nasabi sa sarili mo, wala akong motivation today? Ako, maraming beses na rin. Pero napansin ko, kapag sinasabi natin wala tayong motivation, hindi naman talaga tayo tumitigil gumawa ng kahit ano. Instead, nagsa-social media, nagsa-scroll-scroll, nanonood ng videos, naglilinis ng kung ano-ano, nag-scroll ng 5 minutes na nagiging isang oras, right? Sounds familiar? Kaya minsan, napaisip ako, maybe the issue isn't that we're not motivated. Maybe we're just choosing something else. Because the truth is, motivation comes and goes. May mga araw na excited tayo, right? May mga araw na inspired tayo. Pero may mga araw din na gusto lang natin na mag-relax, mag-scroll-scroll, o mag-procrastinate. At I think for me, normal yun. Pero ito yung natutunan ko. If we only act when we feel motivated, maraming bagay na hindi tayo natatapos, diba? Kasi motivation is based on kung ano nararamdaman natin at that moment. And feelings can change. Some days mataas, some days mababa. But habits and routines, those keep us moving kahit wala tayong gana, di ba? Think about it. Hindi tayo nagsisipilyo dahil motivated tayo. Hindi tayo pumapasok sa work dahil motivated tayo everyday. We do those things because naging routine na lang sila. And that's where real progress happens. Not when we feel like it, but when we do it anyway. Kaya next time, nasabihin natin, wala akong motivation, maybe ask yourself this instead. Ano ba talaga ang pinili kong gawin instead? Right? Because awareness is the first step to change. So ito, gusto kong itanong sa inyo as a last part of my life today. What's one distraction that usually steals your time when you're avoiding something important? No judgment. Nako, lahat tayo meron yan. The goal isn't to be perfect. The goal is to be honest with ourselves. Think about it. Again, thank you for spending a few minutes with me here on Hustle Diaries. And for this one, remember, motivation may start the journey, but habits and routines keep you going. Take care, stay consistent, and I'll see you again on my day 30. Bye! Bye!